We've got the ultimate recipe for Super Bowl queso to help spice up your game day. Welcome back to another musket powder cooking hour. Click the thumbs up and we'll kick this recipe off with the bechamel portion. You can find the full list of instructions and ingredients on our musket powder website or by clicking the link in the description. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter on medium heat and sift in 1 tablespoon of flour to form a roux, whisking continuously. Once a roux has been formed and cooked down for 4 to 5 minutes, quickly add 1 pint of cold milk. Whisk together and cook down for an additional 4 minutes. Once the bechamel has thickened, add 2 tablespoons of cream and let cook for an additional minute. Add 1 cup of bechamel to a saucepan on medium heat and stir in 2/3 cup of milk and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Emmental, raclette, and Gouda are all great choices. Once the ingredients are fully combined, add the musket powder white label seasoning and 1/2 cup of amber ale beer. Once the beer's alcohol has cooked out, be careful not to overheat as this will cause the cheese to bunch up and the sauce will break. Add salt and pepper to taste and you are ready to serve. Serve with your favorite sides. We recommend apple slices or fresh sourdough cubes. Subscribe to our channel for future recipes. Enjoy!